Tonight, there's news that a local prosecutor is ramping up her probe into what could be a criminal attempt by former impeached President Donald Trump to overturn the 2020 election. Reports say the DA of Georgia's Fulton County is charging ahead with her investigation into whether Trump broke any state laws in Georgia. The case stemming from what Trump said in that infamous phone call to Georgia's Republican Secretary of State.
So, look, all I want to do is this. I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have, because we won the state, and flipping the state is a great testament to our country.
I just need you to find 11,000 votes. It's insanity. Georgia's Secretary of State now confirming investigators have interviewed state elections officials, and his office is, quote, fully cooperating with requests for documents. Also, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution reporting today that investigators in the Georgia case are coordinating with federal lawmakers probing the January 6th insurrection, sharing any relevant documents and information. So those two probes are moving forward in sync, the Fulton County case and the January 6th committee. But I want to remind you what GOP leader Kevin McCarthy said as he tried to stop that congressional probe.
We will run our own investigation. Two main questions. Why was the Capitol so ill prepared for that day when they knew on December 14th they had a problem? And what have we done to make sure that never happens again?
That was back in July. You might have noticed there is still no GOP investigation. I guess it's hidden somewhere around their health care plan because really they don't want it. The Daily Beast putting it this way. Most Republicans would be happy to never talk about January 6th again.